Welcome to another vlog. Guys, today we are going to discuss about the history of English language. English language is actually the language of French tribes. Those were named as Frisian, Jutes, Angles and Saxons. Some people uh, pronounce them as Angles, but I pronounce Angles, like Anglo-Saxons. So it started in 46th century before Christ, when these four tribes, Frisian, Jutes, Angles and Saxons, attacked Great England. These people used to speak a language known as Inglis, Inglis, and its writing script was known as Insular Hand. It was not pure English language. It got purity with the passage of time, and then came Geoffrey Chaucer, who started writing in English. Geoffrey Chaucer is named as the first ever English poet, but his English was not so pure. Spellings were not correct, and those were corrected afterwards. And with the passage of time, there came GVS, Great Vowel Shift, and then came William Shakespeare, who introduced 3000 new words in English. So modern day English is very pure English and with full correct spellings. So we can rightly say that English is the language of French tribes who attacked England and the different territories of England. English has to face many ups and downs, but now English has become most successful language of the world. Almost all the knowledge of all subjects is present in English. English borrows different words from different languages. You can say that it's a mixture of different languages. It is mixture of French, Italian, Romanian, Arabic, and other international languages. English borrows words from other languages. New words are coined, different words are made every day. And if we talk about the real and the basic and standard accent of English, that is of BBC and Queen Victoria's accent. English has different dialects. Dialects are regional varieties of a language. Its highest dialect is that of BBC, and the lowest dialect is BEV, Black English Vernacular. English has many varieties. Then came the concept of world Englishes. English is spoken, pure English is spoken in only 4 countries: England, USA, New Zealand, and Australia. The other countries of Europe speak language of their own, and the other second biggest language is that of Spanish. Those languages are also called English. You can make new words, like you can say that Pinglish, like English, INGLI is such English that is spoken by Indian people, and different other varieties. Many people speak English with the mixture of different languages. So there was a chart that is called IPA chart, International Phonetic Alphabet Chart, that was introduced to introduce standard English. So that chart comprises of different words. In that chart, one letter stands for one sound only. Another big name in English is that of Noam Chomsky, who introduced universal grammar, and many other writers like Halliday, like Ferdinand de Saussure, and many other names are very famous in English language. If we talk about English literature is very vast. It is full of different genres. It consists of novels, it consists of poetry, dramas. English dramas are very famous in the world, all around the world, because uh, William Shakespeare introduced a new kind of drama, romantic comedy type drama, and very philosophical dramas were written by him also. So in next video we will properly talk about English genres and English literature. Thank you so much for watching the video.